Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we are making some adorable Rae Dunn inspired Valentine's Day heart ornaments. And everything's from Dollar Tree. So you're going to need a couple of packages of the red heart plastic containers. You're going to need some white chalk paint. You're going to need some paint brushes and either a black Sharpie or some acrylic paint, and then you're going to need a cute little mailbox from Dollar Tree also. First, you are going to want to take your little heart ornaments and hot glue them together because it's a two-piece, like you could put some candy in them to give to someone, so you want to hot glue them together first. Then you're ready to start painting. So I painted everything with the white chalk paint, and I had to go back and give 2 coats, but just try not to get the paint too thick. And also there's a hole at the top that you could use to put some string in, so make sure when you're hot gluing that you don't glue that little hole shut if you're planning on using it to hang the ornament up. And so these would be so pretty to make a garland out of. If you do a Valentine's Day tree, these would look so pretty hanging on it. These would also look pretty in a candy dish or a crystal bowl. So lots of options for these little ornaments. So just make sure and cover your ornament with the white chalk paint. And I had to do 2 coats on each ornament. So make sure you do the front and the back and give it time to dry. The chalk paint I am using is Waverly brand, and I picked it up at Walmart, and it's the matte finish, and it covers pretty good, but I still had to do 2 coats to get it the color or to look like I wanted. And so this is how it looks, and I took a pencil and I wrote the word love. And then here I'm tracing over it with a black Sharpie pen. I thought about using a paintbrush, but I'm much better with a Sharpie, so I just traced over the word love, and then I just chose other Valentine's Day words to put on the other heart ornaments. So love, hugs, and then I chose 2 more words, or my daughter chose kiss, and I chose sweet. So we have 4 Rae Dunn inspired ornaments here. The heart containers come in a 4-pack at Dollar Tree, so it's very inexpensive to make these ornaments. And then I just added a little twine bow to the top of each heart and just hot glued it on. I had thought about adding some ribbon, but when I tried using ribbon, it was just a little bit too big and overpowered the ornament, so I just went with the twine. These would also look really pretty doing them in a pale pink. You could also do like a light green, just like the Conversation Heart Candy. Those colors would be really pretty to do. I just made 4 ornaments today, but I'm thinking about making more and putting them on twine and using them as a garland on my mantle. Just be very careful when you're hot gluing your bow onto your ornament. I used a little paintbrush, the end of the paintbrush, to hold the little bow in place so I didn't burn my hand. And so this is how it looks with the little twine bows. And to hang the ornaments up, I just used a piece of twine, made a loop, and hot glued it to the back of the ornament. But you could use that little hole that's in the ornament to thread some fishing line through or some string. And then here I'm working on the cute little Rae Dunn inspired mailbox. I just wrote the word love on both sides, and I added a heart. And so that's what I did to the back of each ornament so that I could hang them up. And here it is, guys. I've got my mailbox and my 4 ornaments. Let me know in the comments section if you collect Rae Dunn or not. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share, and please subscribe to my channel.